Can I adopt you?
Yes.
Okay, come here. We're gonna get a house.
Mama.
Go to my stroller.
Mama.
So cute.
Mama. Can we get a pet?
Okay.
Get a pet.
Okay. Let's go get your pet. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, we already got one.
Oh, okay. Let's go. Oops.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know. Come,
I'm frozen.
come into the stroller. Okay, we're gonna go now. Do you want a house?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Or do you want to get food?
We get just a normal house.
Okay. But I don't have enough. Wait, yes, I do. I have.
How much money do you have?
I don't know, but let's... Do you want to have this house?
I have $527.
I have 520. You want this? No, that's cost.
It's already owned by someone, Mommy.
Sorry. Let's have a mansion.
Mom,
What?
Mommy, I thought someone was following. Hugo's following you. Hugo's following you.
Oh.
Hugo.
Okay, let's go.
No, we can't.
Oh. Let's go to our house.
Yay! It's going. Oh, let's go. Can you swallow me? Oh,
Can you go in this? Can you go in it?
Swallow. Can you swallow?
Okay, let's go now. Oh, do you want me to cook some dinner?
Mommy, I want enough. Mommy, can I go swimming?
Yes, you can. Let's go.
Wait, Mommy, are you gonna swim in that?
Yes. Oh.
Why? Why can't you just change? Wait, let me leave Scruffy and stop. Let me leave Scruffy inside.
Okay, I'm just going to change. Okay, let's go dive in. Oh, you need swimming lessons first. Oh no, I'll save you. I'm pushing you up already. Shh, I put you to the land down. Here, I'll give you a heart, a medicine. I'll give you a heart or a medicine. Come here. I think that's enough of swimming. Let's go. Come here. Go to my stroller. So that we can go inside.
Mommy, am I gonna die?
No, you're not.
Mommy, there's a stranger. You left my house.
Let's close the door.
Hurry, get in.
We have to go bed now.
I wanna die, Mommy.
Okay, come here. I'm gonna give you some medicine. Here, I give you the medicine. Let's go to the hospital. Let's go. It's been 10 years. I still miss my child. Oh, hello? Hello?
Hi. Hello.
Are you my child?
No.
But you look like my child.
I'm sorry, but my mom was real.
So I miss you so much.
But I don't know you, ma'am. I'm very sorry.
You look like my daughter.
I'm not your daughter. I'm very sorry.
Can we be friends? If you
Sure. What's your number?
my number is 6 4 9 8 10 11 12 13. Just joking.
Okay. Hey, do you want to meet my dog? Do you want me? Her name is Scruffy.
Yeah, let's go meet him. You have a dog? We used to have a dog husky.
Yeah, my dog's name is Scruffy.
Okay. Our dog is Scruffy too.